What's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how you can create a dimension family which is completely independent. You can place it everywhere in the project area without any objects. So without any hesitation, let's begin. First, I need to create a family. I go to New, Family, English, and here we have something which name is Metric Detail Item Line Based. Open it. I create a line for the line of dimension. Let's align with these reference planes. Remember that you should choose this point. Lock it, and this with this point, lock it. Okay, align it with this line and lock it. Now if I change the distance between these two reference planes, this line will follow. Okay, now I want to create a symbol for arrowheads here. I go to File, New, Annotation Symbol, open Annotations and choose Metric Generic Annotation. Open it, delete this text. I go to Create Line. I create arrowhead just like this. Create line, and now go to create and create a filled region. Choose line, press tab button until all the lines are highlighted. Select them. Okay, now save the family. I save it here. I name it Arrowhead. I load it to my family here, place it here. Now let's make a copy of this and rotate it. By pressing space, you can rotate it. Let's align this with this and lock it, with this and lock it, this lock, this lock. Okay, now let's test it. That's okay. Now I want to create two more type of this arrowhead, one line, one circle. So let's go to Edit Family again. Delete this. Go to Create Lines. Draw a circle here. And create a filled region. Pick line. This. Okay. Save this one as Family Arrowhead, and this one is circle. Delete this and let's create another one. If I create a line here, something like this, I can save this one also as line. Okay. Let's close here and let's go to Insert, Load Family. I go to the place, I save them. Arrowhead is already there, and let's load these two ones, circle and line. And let's go to Create Symbol, place this one and also symbol the line 1. Okay, copy this and this, align these ones also with this, lock with this, lock with this, lock with this, lock, and also this one, lock, unlock this with this. Forgot this one. Okay, let's test it. That's okay. Now I want to define a visibility parameter. Now select these two and go to visibility, create. Let's name this circle. Choose these arrowheads and also create a new parameter, arrowhead. Okay, and these lines, also this line. Okay, let's check it. Here I turn off these two and only line. For seeing the visibility parameter, you need to turn this on. Okay, it's working. If I choose this, okay, arrowhead and circle, okay. Now let's define tree type for family type. This one is circle. This one is arrow. And this one is line. Apply. If I choose arrow, circle, line, and arrow, okay. I forgot to define this is a line, okay. Now let's go for final stage. I created text here which shows the dimension. Okay, go to new annotation symbol. Choose annotations category and metric generic annotation. Delete this text. Create a label here. Here I need to create a new parameter. I name it length. Its type should be length and choose instance. Okay. Add parameters here. Okay. And load it in our family. Place it here. Now I want to lock this text, this dimension. I create a reference plane here and let's add a parameter. I name it this from dim line. Okay. Let's align it with this, and also, and now create a dimension from this to this and this. Press EQ, and if I change this, it is not locked. This, and lock it. Now you see it is constrained to this line. And this text should be equal to this length. And because of this, I choose it. I go to the length parameter I created. Here, I choose associate family parameter. I choose it and assign length to it. Now, both of them will be showing the same amount. Now, if I change the distance, you can see that both of them are same. Okay, that's enough. Let's press save and load it to our project. Here I go to annotate, detailed component, and we have three types of the dimension family we just created. I choose arrow. Let's choose this point. You can see that it is completely free and it doesn't need any object to choose. For example, you can come and select this point. And if you want to change its unit, it is based on millimeters. Our dimension here is based on meter. You can go back, and here you can select UN and select meters for this, and to decimal and suppress, choose M and OK, load it again. And here we can see that it is based on, and also we have other type. We have just created other type. If I press CS, I can choose, for example, circle type and draw wherever we like, and also line type. And if you remember, we created a parameter here, dist from dimension line. Let's see what is this. If I want to place a distance between this dimension text and dimension line, I can use it. It's right here. Go to its edit type, dist from dim line. Let's press 1 for 1 meter, and you can see that it is working here. Alright, that's all. If you have any question, guys, you can leave a comment here and I will answer it right away. Thank you for watching my video. If you find it useful, press like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a good day.